an old candle jar, and some sand makes about the simplest incense burner ever. But we can do a little bit better. If you have a screen, you can filter some sand through it and come up with something a little better suited. This gravelly stuff is a little more attractive, but also once it gets loaded with ash, this can be cleaned. Spread it out and gently blow. If it gets really bad, you could probably wash it and dry it in the sun. Burning a full stick like this is a bit much for inside the house, so we'll break it into 3 parts. Clip it so that there's just about 1/4 of an inch there, and then we'll snip it into about 3 even parts. It's easy to use some needle nose pliers to take just a little bit of the material away from the bottom by squeezing. It doesn't need to burn all the way down. And now from one stick we got 3 minis, which fit perfectly inside of this olive jar to make it super portable. And for a finishing touch, we try to find a stone that has a flat spot on it. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to be able to balance an incense cone on it. Just be sure to double check with your online supplier that the stone is in fact flame resistant. We'll store all these for backups for use later. These can hug the perimeter, and then the one we want to burn, we just put in the middle.